Now we are going to work out some serious good question, very good questions we are going to work out. So I hope everybody will pay full attention and will try their level best to solve them. Okay, no? Right. Sure. So here come the first question. First question is little bit easy actually. I will gradually flip the standard of the question. So first question is given just for practice so that you recollect all these things. So just solve question number 1 and 2. Do it first please. Yes, Worship?
Sir, voice is low, sir.
Voice is okay only, no?
It is low, sir, somewhat.
Okay, are you using headphone?
Yes, sir.
So in headphone it should be okay only. Anyway, you check your sound system, sound of the system once. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Fine. Chalo. Everyone solve question number 1 and 2. Too quick. I'll just note down the formula quickly so that it becomes easy for you. Here, velocity of the boy with respect to ground is given to be 4 I cap meter per second. Velocity of the old person with respect to ground is equal to minus 2 I cap meter per second. And for the bird, if you check, this is 37 degrees, so this becomes 4 and this component will become 3. So velocity of the bird as seen from the ground is equal to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap meter per second, right now? Right. So they are asking in the first question that velocity of the tree, bird and old man as seen by the boy. So you can write velocity of the tree with respect to boy is equal to velocity of the tree with respect to ground minus velocity of the boy with respect to ground. Next, velocity of the bird with respect to ground is equal to, with respect to boy is equal to velocity of the bird with respect to ground minus velocity of the boy with respect to ground. Correct? Similarly, velocity of the old person with respect to boy is equal to velocity of the old person with respect to ground minus velocity of the boy with respect to ground. Correct? So this will give you the enough idea to solve question number A. Similarly, you have to solve question B. For question B, they are asking what is the velocity of bird and boy as seen by old man. So velocity of the bird as seen by old man is equal to velocity of the bird as seen by ground minus velocity of the old person as seen from ground. And next is velocity of the boy with respect to that old fellow is equal to velocity of the boy with respect to ground minus velocity of the old person with respect to ground. So that will give you for question B, and similarly you can solve question C also. So do it quickly, all of you, just for practice. This is nothing else. Yeah, practice. Yes, Ashivadan?
Sir, in this case, velocity of tree with respect to ground is 0 only, no, sir?
Yes. Obviously, it is at rest. So
Okay.
velocity of tree with respect to ground is equal to 0 because it is at rest. Yes, Shrutik?
Sir, we should consider the horizontal velocity of the bird, sir.
Yes.
That one is
No.
vertical velocity. We should like that.
Both velocity. No, I am taking this. This is given. Now you check it here.
Okay, sir.
Right or no?
Sir, they are moving in horizontally, no, sir. We should consider only horizontal. Why?
No. You have to take the vector. For the boy and the old person, they are moving horizontally, but the bird is moving along this line.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Is it considered the magnitude of the vector, sir? Or
No, the entire vector.
okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Yes, Chandra.
Sir, why are we supposed to only take the horizontal velocity?
I have never said that only horizontal velocity. When did I say that?
No, I'm talking about the bird and the boy.
Because bird is moving in the direction, boy is moving horizontally. For the
Oh,
boy,
okay.
velocity is horizontal. Okay, no? Yeah.
Dumb.
Yes, Rishi.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, in relative velocity, I forgot when should we take positive for two objects in which direction?
This is the formula I have written. No? So whenever you remember that,
If
suppose
they move along same direction, we should take positive, sir.
yes, no, not positive. If they move along same direction, negative. If they move opposite, then it is positive.
Sir, then velocity of old person with respect to boy should be positive. No, sir.
Velocity of old person with respect to boy must be equal to velocity of old person with respect to ground minus velocity of boy with respect to ground. So now
We should
let
take
us come. Wait, velocity of old person with respect to ground is minus 2 I cap minus velocity of boy with respect to ground is 4 I cap. So answer is minus 6 I cap meter per second.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yes, Manish.
Sir, if velocity of tree with respect to ground is negative, is zero, then velocity of boy with respect to ground will be negative, no, sir?
Why?
No, sir, with velocity of tree with respect to boy.
Yes, obviously. With respect to boy, tree will move back now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Yes, Akash.
So can you please tell the answer for A, the velocity of bird with respect to boy?
Bird with respect to
Boy.
bird with respect to boy is 4 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4 I cap, that is 3 j cap meter per second.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Cherry, okay, fine. Right. Yeah, Puneet, very good, very good. See, question number one is very easy. Question number one, everybody should do. Actually, I have given that question for practice only. Now comes the question. Do question number two. So from question number two, I will get to know who used to be very much attentive in the class. Those who listens to the class can answer question number two. Yes, Yogananda? Tell me.
Sir, answer is 20 meters.
Very good, excellent. Minimum distance is 20 meters. Correct. Yes, Chaitanya?
Sir, suppression 12 root 2.
Suppression is not. No, suppression is not 12 root 2. It is 20 meter.
Both.
See, this is the theory that we have studied in the class. If you remember, 4 different methods we have worked out to find out the L minimum. 2 particles are moving opposite to each other. This is the theory actually. Right now, this is given to be 500 meter. This is given to be 400 meter. This is moving with 15 meter per second. This is moving with 20 meter per second. So how much L minimum I have written? L minimum I have written mod of L1 V2 minus L2 V1 by root under of V1 square plus V2 square. This is the formula, simple formula. Yes, Asivardhan, tell me.
Sir, we should find the time taken, no, sir. How long do they take means?
That is also minimum time only, no?
I got 25.6 seconds.
Correct only, absolutely correct. Very good. So T minimum is equal to Pushkar, correct answer. L1 V1 plus L2 V2 by V1 square plus V2 square. You put the value, you will get this as 20 meter. You will get this as 25.6 second. Now you see what is the benefit of knowing the theory. Chaitanya, minimum distance is 20 meter. Vignesh.
Sir, I got also L minimum equal to 20 meter and T minimum 25.6.
Very good, excellent. That's it. That's the answer. Right now, I hope everybody got Yogananda. I think everybody got it now. Clear now this one? Simple formula only. Okay, no? Right. Okay. So let's go for the next page. Right. Great. Solve question number 3 and 4. Go for it, everyone. Yes, Shashivardhan.
Sir, fourth one 52 meters.
Fourth one answer is 52 meter. That is correct. Solve third one.
Sir, पढ़ा है sir question.
करो करो करो. Yes, Rahul. Yes, Akash.
Sir, is AB also L, sir?
Which one?
Sir, is AB distance, sir, is also equal to length L?
No, that's not given. Actually, if CB is given, that is enough.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, right? Yes, Rahul, tell me.
Sir, that one time is equal to.
Yeah, Rahul, tell me again.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, time is equal to root 12 by A.
Very good, Rahul. Excellent. Very good. Vignesh?
Sir, time is equal to root 12 by A and fourth one is 52 meter.
Very good, Vignesh. Very good. Very good. Proud of you, bro. Sure. See, this question number 3, solve from the reference frame of the train. That is the idea. Let a person stand there. So what you will see, the train is moving in the upward direction, no? So for the particle, acceleration will be in the downward direction. So it will move in a projectile simply. To move along a projectile. Correct? So if it is moving along a projectile, then everything is okay. Then you take this angle to be theta. If this is L, AB, you are going to get L cot theta. Right? No? So then you simply apply the formula for the range. So range is equal to AB, that is equal to L cot theta. What is the range, Ray? 2u square sine theta cos theta divided by A. In place of G, we are writing A. That is equal to L cot theta. It means L cos theta by sine theta. This cos theta cancels. So we are getting 2u square sine square theta by A is equal to L. So if I just make a little rearrangement, not much, just little rearrangement, can I like this? 2u sine theta by A whole square. So I have to multiply this side also 2 by A. If you see, 2u sine theta by A is the time period. So T is equal to this, T square. So T is equal to, how much is the answer? Root under of 2L by A. It's a very good question. Right now, clear for everyone? Yeah. And I think people have done fourth one only. Fourth one I don't have to repeat. You are capable enough of doing question number 4. Yes, Ritan. Okay, very good. Yes, Rahul, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, fourth one is 52 meters.
Yes, fourth one is 52 meters. Answer I have written here. Correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right, everyone? Okay. So now I am going for the next page. ये क्या हो गया? So let me add a page. Right. Now here there is a dangerous question that I want everybody to solve. You take time. There is no constraint for the time, but you do it. I want to see that people are doing it. Yeah. Go for question number 6. Everyone, it's a challenge. That's it. Do it. Yes, Jaypal.
Sir, I have one general doubt, sir. Can I
Yeah,
ask?
yeah, please go for it.
Sir, what is the weightage of kinematics, sir?
See, Jaipal, the weightage of kinematics is definitely is on the very lower side, both in case of JEE main and advanced. But the topic that we are doing right now, this relative motion thing, it is very important out of all the kinematics portion. That is point number one. And point number two is that we have to be thorough with kinematics because the other part of mechanics is totally based on this.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. I hope I am clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Yes, Mr. Pushkar Kale.
ये सीनियर्स का मटेरियल अलग है क्या कि यही
किसका किसका
सीनियर्स का
सीनियर्स का
हाँ
हाँ अलग होता है ना
अच्छा नहीं बुक्स पे जूनियर जूनियर लिखा है इसलिए पूछ
हाँ तो जूनियर है तो जूनियर ही लिखा रहेगा ना सीनियर बन जाए उसके बाद सीनियर रहेगा
सर मुझे लगा सबके लिए एक ही है
नहीं यार सीनियर में तो अलग चैप्टर्स होते हैं ना उसमें मटेरियल कैसे सेम रहेंगे भाग पे अभी के लिए तुम लोगों को बस 11th का मटेरियल दिया गया है
अच्छा अच्छा
ओके
थैंक यू सर
ओके यस प्रीतम
Sir, is the first one 82.5?
It is a very weird kind of answer. It is 20 root of 241.
Quickly calculate.
No, Shivani, check it once again. No, it is coming around, Pritam, 310. Akash?
Sir, can you just please explain the question, sir?
You try, sir. You try, sir. This is painful question. You have to take a little pain in this. You try for some more time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shashivardhan?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, I'm getting answers in points, sir.
You check it once again. This
Sir,
is
I got the velocity of aeroplane with respect to Earth is 44.7 kilometers per hour.
44.7
kilometers per hour.
No, Ray. No.
Root of 40 square plus 20 square.
No. Chalo, try once again. I will discuss. Rahul?
Sir, 20 root 2.
Not 20 root 2. Okay. Yeah. So now I'll start discussing it. So first you do this XY stuff, not this southwest stuff. So this is east, this is west, north, and this is south. Right? Okay. So they're saying that after flying for half an hour. Yeah, Vignesh, tell me.
Sir, A is 44.7 kilometer per hour.
Okay, we'll check. Just wait for some time. See, it is flying 150 kilometer west. So let us say it flies up to this. This is 150 kilometer. And 40 kilometers south. So here. So this is 40 kilometers. Is that okay? Fine. No? It has started moving from here. The plane has started moving from here. So this is from where it is moving. Right now? Okay. So this angle is theta. Can I write then? Tan theta is equal to 40 by 150. That is equal to 4 by 50. Correct? And this is O. This is A. Can I write OA is along which the plane moves with respect to ground. Okay, no? Fine. Okay, so how much is AB then? AB is equal to root under, not AB, OA, sorry. No hand raising now. Everybody put down your hands. Root under of 40 square plus 150 square. Correct? So this much is OA. So what is the speed? Aeroplane with respect to ground? That is simple. OA by half. So that is 2 into OA kilometer per hour. I hope everybody got this point. This is clear.
Say 80 kilometer per hour.
How much it is 80 kilometer per hour?
Sir?
OA is equal to this much.
Oh.
OA is equal to this much. So if you solve, I am just writing the answer directly. You can check 20 root under of 241 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the aeroplane with respect to ground. Anyone having doubt here up to what we have done? Yes, Arshit, tell me. Okay, fine. Right. So this is only one part is done actually. Now you tell me one thing. Can I write this? Velocity of the aeroplane with respect to ground is equal to velocity of the aeroplane with respect to wind plus velocity of the wind with respect to ground. Right? Okay. So now you tell velocity of the wind is equal to velocity of the aeroplane with respect to ground minus velocity of aeroplane with respect to wind. Right? Yes, Harshit. Varshit, tell me.
So magnitude is minus 60 I cap minus 40 J cap.
I'll check. Just wait for some time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you are correct only. Yes,
Okay.
Vignesh.
Sir, that 20 into 2 root 1 is coming as 310.48.
This is correct only. 310.48. Okay. Great. So next come here. So what is the, now this is vector, no? Magnitude is this much only, right? So I'll write 20 root under of 241. Now you check. Everyone, please check. If you take the x component is along negative, y component is also along negative. Right? Okay. So minus cos theta I cap minus sin theta j cap. Right? Minus of. What is the velocity of the wind they have said? A velocity of the aeroplane with respect to wind. You see this and where? West. Correct? No? So it should be minus of minus 240 I cap. Right? Again you see tan theta. This is really painful question. I am sorry for this, but this is the thing which only will come in JEE Advanced. So sin theta will be equal to 4 by root under of 15 square plus 4 square, and cos theta will be equal to 15 by root under of 15 square plus 4 square. So you can substitute the value. So after substitution, whatever you will get, I am writing directly. V wind vector you will get minus 60 I cap minus 80 J cap. Note it down, please. Yes, Mr. Akash.
Sir, once can you scroll up?
Scroll up. Okay, up. I'll do up. Oh my. Just wait. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. WA, the west end is 40 kilometer, no, sir?
South is 40 kilometers.
Yes, sir. South is 40 kilometer, and time is given half hour, sir.
Yes.
We can find the velocity, no, sir, from here. Wind speed.
Wind speed? I'm not getting.
Sir, it is deflected towards south, no, south by 40 kilometer, no.
So who told you the wind has only speed in that direction? That is the beauty. Wind, actually what you are seeing here, after calculating this, what you are seeing, that wind has a speed actually like this.
Oh.
This is the direction of the wind speed. So this wind speed will have two components. Try to understand. So it has two components, one along x and another along y, right? This x component of wind speed is basically accelerating the aeroplane along x direction. Correct? And this component is helping to turn its direction down. The aeroplane initially was moving in this direction, no? It was trying to move in this direction. So because of this component, it is accelerating and then turning down like this.
Okay, sir.
Now it is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, I will show. Previous page 4. You just remind me once at the last. I will show you. Okay, now don't worry. Don't worry. Just remind me at the last once again. I will show. Chalo. So this one is clear to all of you. Fine. Okay. So from here, I have just drawn the diagram. So if you take this angle to be alpha, so this is 60. This is 80. So tan alpha is equal to 80 by 60. That is equal to 4 by 3. So alpha has to be 53 degree. Is Yogananda?
Sir, scroll the page once.
Yeah.
To WhatsApp.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Is Varshit?
Sir, velocity of pilot with respect to Earth we can find by distance by time, na sir.
We are doing distance by time only, na?
Sir, directly we can do, na sir.
How?
D by T. D is equals to minus 150 I cap minus 40 J cap. We should add, na sir.
We have done that only.
Distance.
You see here. You see here, we have done that only.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Right. Chandra?
No, sir. I had a different
Mistakenly.
question. Okay, it's okay. Not mistakenly.
One
I told to scroll up.
Okay. Chalo. So this is clear to all of you? Fine now? Correct? So part A is over for us. Now I request everyone to have a very close look at part B. You read part B. Part B is also very conceptual. It is not that much easy. So have a close look at part B. Is Varshit?
Sir, I did not lower my answer.
Okay, okay, fine. Yogananda?
Sir, is theta equals to tan inverse of 1 by 2?
Theta is equal to?
Tan inverse of 1 by 2.
No, Babu. Check once again. Good try. Check once again. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Mr. Akash Kumar.
Sir, is theta cos inverse 1 by 2?
No.
Okay.
Now here comes the concept. Check carefully. What is the main key point in question number B? That is this one. That in order to travel due west. So that means the point is that here, as per the condition, the resultant velocity of the aeroplane with respect to ground has to be along minus I cap, that is west. Correct? That is the concept of this question. So now we will take the diagram very seriously. One information they have given. What they have given? They are now saying that the wind velocity is due south. Correct? So now let us have this east west north south. East west north south. Then just see. So this is the wind speed. That is equal to 120 kilometer per hour. Correct? Then this is expected in this direction. We expect to have velocity of the aeroplane with respect to ground. That is desired actually. So what should be? So what should be the direction of the V aeroplane with respect to ground? If it has to be resultant, then parallelogram law, just like this. I hope you got it now. That's it. So this must be the direction of velocity of the aeroplane with respect to wind. Correct? You just simply take this angle to be theta. So now you see. Now you see. This component is going to be V aeroplane with respect to ground sine theta, and this is the V wind. So these two must be equal. VW should be equal to VAW sine theta. So V wind is 120. This is equal to 240 sine theta. So sine theta is equal to half. Hence, theta is equal to 30 degree. That's it. So it's a painful question. It's not easy. Yes, Rahul?
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, these model questions will come in exams, sir.
Which thing?
This model question, like
This I am
example.
working.
Yes, sir.
Why these questions should come in the exam? So that you get good marks?
No, sir.
Then this thinking should be uprooted from the mind very rigidly. If you are a serious student, if you are a good student never expect the done question to come in the exam.
These model questions I asking.
A modern question, obviously. Oh, what is that? I mean, exams paper setter will not recreate physics now.
So not this question I am telling.
I am telling that exam paper setter will not recreate physics na. So whatever is within the syllabus, this model will come.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
You think that this question will come?
I will not tell. It may come. See, my target is not this one. My target, my eye is rigidly set on 2022. Right? That is the year you people will give IIT exam. So my target is regarding that exam. Whatever model that can possibly come in that exam, I will cover. Okay, chalo. Fine. Now solve question number 7. My dear friend, go for it. Yes, Ethan, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, once can you scroll down? I'll take a screenshot.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Chalo, everyone. Do question number 7. Yes, Shashivardhan.
Sir, answer is 10 meter per second square, sir.
It should be greater or equal to 10 meter per second square.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So your answer should be, because they are asking now that it may escape. So that means your answer must be A should be greater or equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, Sritan, very good.
Okay, sir.
Right. Shashivardhan. Okay, fine. Chalo, all of you do it first. This is the last question we will do today. Yeah, I will show. Yes, yes. You told me. Yes, yes, I will do. Amreshwar. Amreshwar, can you hear me? Okay. Now let us solve this question number 7. So I'm saying that most to be taken with respect to the aeroplane. Let us take this. So what is the initial velocity u? It has to be 700 minus 500, that is equal to 200 meter per second. Correct? I hope you have understood. ठीक है जी, ठीक है. Acceleration of the bullet with respect to aeroplane is equal to a of minus j cap. Okay. Yes, Amreshwar, tell me.
Sir, greater than 10 meter per second square.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. Very good, very good. Yeah, right. Okay. So this is A. Now I'm writing one line for not being hit. Not being hit. V bullet before it travels 1000 meter with respect to aeroplane must be equal to 0. Correct? Then only it will not hit the aeroplane. So simple equation is applied. V square is equal to u square plus 2ax. V is 0. U is 200 square minus 2 into a into x. So how much x we are getting? If we substitute the value, we know that it has to be less than 1000 meter. It is known to us. Correct? No? So what will I get? I will get 200 into 200 is 2 into a into 1000. So a is ante 100 ఇది 10 happened. Correct only. That is equal to 20 meter per second square. Correct? No? Fine. Now a is equal to what I have taken, acceleration of the bullet with respect to aeroplane. It should be 10 of minus j cap minus of a naught j cap. So that results to be 10 plus a naught of minus j cap. So as per the result, 10 plus a naught must be greater than 20. So a naught must be greater than equal to 10 meter per second square. That's it. Okay, right, fine. Sure. Let me show. Somebody asked me to show the previous page. I'll show previous page once. I think this page. Yeah, Vignesh.
Sir, could you show 7 solution? I will take a screenshot.
Just wait for some time. Somebody requested me to show the previous page. I'll show. Yes, Rahul.
Sir, in the seventh question, v square minus v u square. Sorry, x is called v square minus u square is equal to s. Hello, sir.
I can hear you. Tell me.
Sir, in the problem, your u square plus 2ax you wrote, sir. U square minus 2a.
There is a general equation I have wrote.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Pushkar, tell me.
सर एक्चुअली आपको कोई कैंपस में का पता है क्या जो रॉन्ग नंबर को ठीक कर दे, मतलब
कैंपस को
कैंपस में क्या बोलेंगे आप, मेरा नंबर रॉन्ग फिट है सर उसमें, मतलब सिस्टम में, तो मेरे को एक भी मैसेज नहीं आता, तो कोई बदल देगा क्या मेरा नंबर? आपके पास कोई नंबर है क्या जो बदल सकता है?
हाँ, बदल देगा मतलब तुझे कांटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. मैं एक पर्सन बंदे का नंबर दे देता हूँ, तो उसे फोन करके बात करो एक बार.
क्योंकि कोई भी नहीं कर रहा है. मैं बहुत जनों को फोन करके बोला, मतलब प्रिंसिपल मैम को भी बोला, फिर भी मतलब नहीं हो रहा है. मेरे को एक भी मैसेज नहीं आ रहा है.
ठीक है, मैं एक बार देता हूँ, तो इनसे एक बार बात करके देख. अगर बात नहीं बनता है तो मैं फिर देखता हूँ. ओके,
हाँ ठीक है.
Vignesh, this is the 7th question. Take the screenshot. राइट? चलो दोस्त, बाय बाय, सी यू टुमारो। ओके, चलो।